Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. So, I thought I'd share real quick, when I had my cup sitting over here, and I went to baton, and I knocked a bunch of crap that was all over the stick, like right into my cup, but whatever. You get a little crunchy texture towards the bottom. Anyway, I wanted to share some unfortunate news. So I had started about 4 weeks ago. This is my 4th week on the. I have a new job, and this is the 4th week. But because of the coronavirus and the nature of my job, I don't deliver. I still deliver, but I deliver wine and spirits now, which is a lot less stops and a lot less, like way less stress. The problem is that with all the restaurants closing and people not going out as often, business is really on the decline, to the point where they cut us down to 3 days a week, and the days I work, I'm not even getting a full 10-hour shift. So my job was originally 4 10-hour days, and some days I'm only getting 6 hours, other days I'm only getting like 7. One day it was 5. So it's rather unfortunate, but I'm going to have to pick up a second job. Otherwise I won't be able to make ends meet, and that would just be disastrous, not only for my credit, but for my just my way of life. So I don't know when I'm going to be able to come out and do videos. I mean, I was supposed to work today, because today is Thursday, and they called and they said, yeah, we only have enough routes for 5 people, and since I'm new, you know, it gets prioritized to the guys who've been there longer, which makes sense, but it's unfortunate for me. So actually I took an offer, accepted an offer on a part-time job. Unfortunately it's working weekends, so that's going to mean not being able to get out anywhere near as often as I was. Hopefully it will be for a short time, but you know, I heard someone saying that this could go on until August, so that's basically the end of summer, which would really suck, but so would not being able to make ends meet. So if there's a dramatic decline in videos, you know, that's pretty much why, because of this whole corona thing. I'm really hoping it turns around quick, but you know, who knows. So I just came out to the park. I'm not even out in the National Forest. I've been in this park several times. You might recognize this concrete barrier. That's where I guess sort of my default to when I don't want to go out to the National Forest. I think it's starting to rain now too. Damn it, I didn't bring a tarp. It said... That's disappointing. I thought I'd catch a break. I might have to hold off the other video because of the camera. Damn. Even Mother Nature's screwing me. I might stop though. Anyway, I just want to keep you guys in the loop with why suddenly there's no vids. Just, you know, until things blow over and the regular main job is up to speed, I'm kind of stuck. So, as always, I appreciate you watching. Appreciate you sticking with the channel. I appreciate you commenting. And we'll just see what happens. You know, just play it by ear. So, see ya.